Welcome to my YouTube channel. Unboxing time! I know that you guys are excited pagdating sa mga unboxing na to. Well, ngayon, bago tayo mag-umpisa, I'm giving you a heads up. Medyo magtatagal po itong unboxing na to dahil marami pong items na bubuksan ngayong araw na to. Okay, so for the Shein, I have about 10 items. At sa Amazon naman, I have about 11 items. Okay, so mag-ready na kayo. Ihanda na ang inyong mga snacks, ang inyong coffee, ang inyong drinks, and sit down, relax, at panoorin nyo po ang aking unboxing. Pero before that, syempre, ano ba ang aking signature? Ang aking green tea. Okay, so let's start with unboxing. Okay, so the first box is really huge. This is a huge box from Amazon. Okay, so bubuksan ko na po ito. I'm sure ito po ay hindi lamang isang item. Kasi most of the time sa Amazon, ang mga items na pagka-umorder po kayo ng maraming items, inilalagay po nila yan sa isang malaking box. Okay, so let's check what's inside this box. Okay. So, all these items I ordered last week. And for the Shein, I ordered those Shein items 2 weeks ago. Ang Amazon, napakabilis talaga ng kanilang delivery. So, it takes about, well, sometimes 1 day lang eh. They have next day delivery for Amazon. Kasi nga, since I'm a Prime member of Amazon, yun lang ang kagandahan nga ng being a Prime member of Amazon. 1 day delivery, minsan nga overnight eh. Okay, so let's check this out kung ano po ito. Siyempre, sa ibabaw, puro paper na brown. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that dun sa side at mamaya ko niyan lilinisin. Okay, the first one in this box, actually ito po sa isang box na malaki ito, there are 2 items. Okay, so ito pong unang item na ipapakita ko po sa inyo. This is actually a to-go box, but it's a different size of to-go box. It's a plastic which is actually used for soup. So, ito po yung hinihintay ko. It's a 32-ounce plastic container and it's 48 pieces. So, bubuksan ko po ito para makita ninyo. Kasi syempre, minsan dito sa bahay, pagka meron kaming mga gatherings at meron mga leftover na mga, sabihin natin, mga soup. Okay, at kung wala naman tayong container for the soup, paano makakapag-uwi ang ating mga bisita, hindi ba? So, I decided to order this container para sa soup. So, I'm, at least now, meron na akong naka-ready para sa mga bisita. Ayan po. And this is about 32 ounce and it's 48 pieces. So, this is about 48 pieces. At meron na pong kasama yung takip, ha? Ayan. Oh, this is the takip. Yung nasa ibabaw. Oh, I drop it. Well. So, ito po yung takip. Ito po nasa ibabaw. So, that's about 48 pieces. Okay, so that's one down. And we have more to go. So, another one in this package. Or another one in this box, in this huge box. So, I'm just gonna put this box on the floor. Ayan. So, ito po naman ay 24 ounce na to-go boxes. Alam naman ninyo na parati kung umorder nito mga to-go boxes, ano? Kasi, yun nga, katulad na sinabi ko sa iyo, I use this whenever we have a parties. At yung mga gusto magmarites, syempre, kailangan parati tayong ready, no? Para sa mga kaibigan natin. Ayaw naman nating mag-uwi sila ng mga hinanda nating pagkain, tapos ilalagay lang natin sa kung ano-anong plastic, hindi ba? So, I wanted to have all those leftover food na itutugon nila. So, syempre, maganda-ganda namang lalagyan, hindi ba? Okay, so this is about 50 pieces of 24 ounce to-go boxes. Ayan. 50 pieces po yan. Yung mga previous na in-order ko sa Amazon, nagamit na halos lahat. So, I only have a few left. And, of course, looking forward for another gatherings with friends. At syempre, alam naman ninyo, parati dito kami nag-gathering party dito sa bahay namin. Kaya, ayan, I'm just getting ready for the next gatherings with friends. Kaya, ayan, pumili na ako ng mga to-go boxes. Okay, so let's open the next one. So that's 2 items. More to go. Alright, so, but before I continue, inom po muna ako ng green tea. And of course, for today, I'm wearing yellow. Kaya ang aking teacup ay yellow. So I'm wearing this yellow blouse. I think nakita na po ninyo to. This is one of the item nakasama po doon sa aking binuksan. I think that was a month ago, nung nag-unboxing po ako a month ago. Lace po ito na yellow na turtleneck na blouse. Okay, so this is a lace turtleneck blouse. At ang suot ko po ngayon ay naka-jumper po ako ng black. So, talagang bumagay at nag-stand out ang color ng yellow dito sa aking black na long dress, sleeveless, na parang jumper ang style. Okay, next one is, of course, another Amazon item. Tignan po natin kung ano to. Ito pong item na to was just delivered yesterday. So, sisirain ko na ang kanyang package. Okay, so this is the vinyl gloves. And it's a clear vinyl gloves. Okay, talagang kailangan ko po nito kasi especially pagka naghuhugas ng pinggan, pagka nagluluto, pagka nagkakaroon ako ng cooking tutorials, nakikita naman niyo parati akong nakasuot ng gloves, hindi ba? So, ayan po, meron na naman ako kasi I'm actually running low on my gloves. Kaya sabi ko, kailangan umorder na ako before I run out of the gloves. I really need this. So, na talagang ginagamit po namin ito dito sa bahay. This one actually is small. So, this is for me. I have another box which is a large size na parati naman ginagamit din ni Dada. Kasi, minsan, pagka naubusan talaga ako, ginagamit ko yung large. So, no choice. Talaga makita nyo sa kamay ko, talagang napakaluwag. So, I finally got this order and this is a small size of the gloves. So, ayan po ang laman ng isang package na to. So, that's what? 3 items. Okay. Let's do the other one. And this is still Amazon. So, katulad ng sabi ko sa inyo, sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood ng aking unboxing na to. So, just sit down and relax. Tingnan po ninyo yung mga napamili ko po. Ang dami na po talaga at naipon po kasi nga nakita naman ninyo kung gaano kami ka-busy. And there are actually days na talagang hindi po ako nakakapag-upload ng video sa aking YouTube channel. Okay, so sometimes I just upload yung mga short videos. Pagka nakita po ninyo na gano'n lang ang ginawa ko, that means I really don't have the time to upload any videos at all kasi talaga napaka-busy talaga. But for me, busy is good. That means, you know, we are being so resourceful at napaka-productive ng araw namin. Pagka kami po ay busy, hindi ba? Ganun din siguro po sa inyo, hindi ba? Pagka busy, mas maganda at mas mabilis tumatakbo ang araw pagka tayo po ay busy. Okay, so I am not sure what this one is, pero tignan nyo, ayan. So, buksan natin. Kasi syempre, minsan kakaiba yung kanilang packaging, ano. So, tignan natin kung ano ito. I'm not sure what this one is. Buksan natin to. Parang ako na-excite pagka ganito eh. Although, you know, I already knew what are the items that I ordered, pero minsan pagkaiba yung packaging na iiba, para bang nakaka-excite, hindi pa? Alright, so this is, wow, napakaganda naman ang packaging nito. Tingnan naman ninyo, akala ko libro eh. Inilagay dito, aside from nandito siya, sa ganitong package. Ayan. Nandito siya sa loob nito. So, this is the shirt I ordered from Amazon, of course. At ito po ay gagamitin namin sa aming trip to Disneyland. Okay, so this will be used. I will wear this for our trip to Disneyland. Okay, so ayan po, nakita ninyo. Graphic red long sleeve shirt. Ayan, nakita ninyo yung obvious na obvious ang Mickey Mouse, ang kanyang pinaka-ears. Ayan. So, and this is extra large. And it seems like it's really big. The reason why I ordered a big size kasi parang bala ko po yata na mag-leggings ako ng black. And then I will be wearing a black boots. Or, kasi dalawa yung pinag-iisipan kong isusuot ko. It's either I will wear yung isang item na in-order ko sa Shein na makikita nyo mamaya at ipapakita ko sa inyo. It's one of those items that I will be opening later. At ito nga yung shirt, and this is extra large but it looks so big. Kaya titignan ko kung kailangan kong isaoli. At, or, siguro ibibigay ko sa sister ko kasi, my sister is actually coming for a vacation next month. So, I am really excited about that. And that's one of our plans. And that's why we're gonna go to Disneyland. Kaya nga nag-order po ako ng t-shirt na isusuot po namin. Kasi, karamihan po naman pupunta ng Disneyland, ano, talaga sila, naka-shirt sila ng Mickey Mouse. And then they wear this headband na Mickey Mouse. So, it's really cute. So, another one, okay, from Amazon, of course. I will not keep track of the items that I'm opening right now. Kayo na lang po ang bahala na bilangin kung ilan na po yung mga na-open ko. Okay, so this one is a gold pasta server. So, meron na po ako talaga nitong gold pasta server na to. Pero, bumili pa ako ng isa pa kasi, minsan po, pagka meron kaming gatherings dito at dalawang klase ng pasta, ang meron kami. So, iisa lang, since iisa lang. So, sabi ko, I think I better order another one. So, this is the pasta server in gold. Okay, so, ayan. At least, meron akong extra pasta server. I actually have another one, but it's in silver. So, syempre gusto ko, kung gold yung isa, gold din yung isa pang pasta server ko. Ayoko kasi na magkakaiba ang kulay. Alam niyo po, napaka-ate ko talaga no, pagdating sa mga ganyan. Gusto ko, everything matches. Ganun po talaga ako eh. Okay, so I'm opening another box here. I'm opening another package here. And this one, okay, finally. Okay, if you noticed the last time, I did my cooking tutorial. Sabi ko, I think that was when I was doing or cooking yung yung gumagawa ako ng okoy. Ang ginamit ko lang na pang whisk ay yung tinidor, hindi ba? Sabi ko, I don't have a whisk. And that's actually an important item that I really need to order from Amazon. So finally, meron na akong whisk. So sa susunod na meron akong cooking tutorial, meron na akong gagamiting whisk. So this one. So that's the whisk. Finally, I have a whisk at hindi na ako gagamit ng tinidor sa aking mga lulutuin. Okay, so I don't know how many items are already opened, but I told you guys just count how many because I don't keep track anymore. I think there's just so many items that I already opened. Okay, next one. This is another box right here. Okay, so this is Amazon. And before I proceed, let me drink my green tea. Ang sarap po talaga ng green tea. Green tea has always been our favorite. Kasi alam nyo ba, ang green tea, meron po yan ang antioxidant. Kaya maganda pong umiinom po ng green tea. At alam nyo po ba, tatlong klase ang magagandang green tea na pwede nyo pong inumin. Green tea, oolong tea, and black tea. Those are the teas that you will get that has the health benefits. Green tea, oolong tea, and black tea. Okay, so next one. Okay, so and I also needed this, so that's why I ordered it. This one is a measuring spoon and cup. So, mga measuring spoon po yan. Marami po yan. From 1/3 teaspoon hanggang 1 tablespoon. Ayan po. And these are the cups. So, from 1 cup, so this is from 1/8 cup to 1 cup. And this is silver. Okay, so silver po yan. Ayan, lagay muna natin dito. Lagay ko muna sa gilid. And so there's about 3 items in this box. Okay. Okay, so this one, okay, finally, yung in-order ko po, this one is a, let's see, I actually wrote down all the items na in-order ko. And I just want to make sure na nandito at nakalista. So this is a gold silverware. Gold silverware na 30 pieces. And it's a service for 6. Okay. Alright, let's check this out. Gusto ko makita ninyo kung ano ba ang kanyang itsura. It's really pretty. Silverware po siya. And it's 30 pieces. Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo ang isa ha. I will, okay. There it is. So this is a combination of silver and gold. So flatware po siya na service for 6. Okay, tsaka medyo may weight siya ha. Ayan o. Alam nyo kasi, pagka ito ha, I just wanna give you a, yung parang, a tips. I wanna give you a tips na pagka bibili po kayo ng mga flatware, make sure hahanapin niyo yung nakalagay na 18. I think it's 1810. 1810 meaning may weight siya. It comes with a weight at yung maganda yung kanyang silver. Kasi meron kayong minsan mabibili na mura nga, pero ang gaang naman na parang wala kayong. Siyempre, pagkakakain tayo at gagamit tayo ng mga flatware, gusto natin yung medyo may bigat, hindi ba? Iba yun eh. Iba yung medyo may bigat ang ating mga flatware na gagamitin. Okay, so, ang cute po niya. Ang ganda ng kanyang, ang kanyang style. Ayan. Okay, so, another one in this box. So, there's actually 3 items in this box. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, pero, let's check it out. Okay, so I just toss the box on that side. At mamaya na ako maglilinis. Marami na naman ako lilinisin nito. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, so this is the box. Okay. Oh, alright. Hello, anak. Andito na yung anak namin. Dumating na. Dr. Kevin. Paging Dr. Kevin. Okay, so this one is the white mags. Okay, coffee mags. White 15-ounce coffee mags. Ayan po. And that is 15 ounce. So, medyo marami-raming kape ang may lalagay natin dito. So, this is probably about 1 cup and a half of coffee. So, that's good. And it's 6 pieces. 6 pieces po. So, ayan, white. Nakita ninyo ha. Hindi ko talaga sa white eh. Ayan, this is about 6 pieces. Okay, so, I'm gonna put that on that side. So, now, I'll get all the Shein items. So, we're done with our Amazon item. So let's start with the Shein. You want to start first with this huge plastic. Huge Shein package. Okay, umpisahan na po natin. Okay, alright. So, medyo siguro, I'm not sure, siguro mga 3 ang laman nito or 4 kasi medyo bulky siya eh. Medyo bulky. Okay, but before I proceed, I wanna drink my green tea. Okay. Excited. Basta Shein, parati excited eh. Okay, let's start with the first one. This one is a blue turtleneck loose sweater. So, kulay blue po siya na maluwag na turtleneck na sweater. Okay, so that's one for Shein. Let's open the next Shein. So, this one is the black leggings. And this is for my sister. I bought this for my sister. It's a black leggings because it's a large size. So I bought this for my sister because, as I told you earlier, my sister is coming over for a vacation. So I'm buying her, I actually bought her some items. I told her not to bring too much clothes Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, ipag-shopping ko siya dito. So ito, nag-start na ako mag-shopping para sa kanya. So this is actually for her. It's a black leggings. She will definitely use this. Baka pagpunta namin sa Disneyland, baka yan ang kanyang gamitin. Okay, so another item here. It's also a Shein. Of course, it's Shein because I'm opening the Shein package. So this is for me. It's a leggings. Pero a small size nga. Kasi small lang ako eh. Okay, so it's also a black leggings. And it's for me. Siyempre, meron din ako, no? Okay, so that's for me. Gonna put it back in the plastic. Another one. So in this package here, it's about 1, 2, 3. So 4. So it's about 4 items in this bulky. That's why it's really bulky. Dito sa bulky na package na to. Kaya pala napakalaki. Okay, so this one. This is the white puffer jacket. If you guys remembered, I think few months ago when I did my unboxing, I bought the white puffer jacket. Remember that? And I told you guys na parang small siya kasi. So, when I saw this one, I said, okay, so this is the correct size. But it's hooded, so it has a hood, but the hood is not actually, it's attached, the hood is attached on the jacket. So this is a sleeveless puffer jacket, but it's hooded. It's hooded. Okay, so this is, I think this is the right size. This is medium kasi yung nabili ko, yung nauna kong bilhin, it's white. But this one actually, it's not really white. This is kind of an off-white color. So this is an off-white color po. Kaya okay na rin. That's fine. Okay, so next. So that's about what? 1, 2, 3, 4 items in one package. Okay, so another one. Tignan natin kung ano to. Of course, it's from Shein. Tignan natin. So, ano, okay pa ba kayo dyan? Baka nagutom na kayo sa panonood sa akin. Or, nagla-lunch na ba kayo? Or nagbe-breakfast pa rin? Kasi minsan di ba, late breakfast, which is that's what we call brunch. Kasi kami kadalasan late na ang breakfast namin Kaya, magkasabay na yung breakfast and lunch. So, ano ba? Nag-brunch na ba kayo ngayon? Okay, so finally, I got this. Katulad nga na sinabi ko sa inyo, we are planning to go to Disneyland. So, we're preparing for our trip to Disneyland. At syempre, pagka nasa Disneyland ka, kailangan kumpleto. Diba? O, ayan ang headband. Oh, ayan Oh, hindi ba? Look at. Oh, di ba ang cute? Oh, ayan. Makikita nyo. Isa to sa mga isusuot ko. At, bumili rin ako syempre para sa ate ko. So, this is for my sister. And this is for me. Oo, it's my ate. Because I'm the bunso. Alright, so that's one in this package. That's only one. So, isa lang po. Ayan. Okay, so next one. Next one. So, pero iinom po muna ako ng aking, syempre ano pa, paborito green tea. My favorite green tea. Nakakawala ng, for me, green tea is refreshing, ano? Ang sarap po talaga ng green tea. I don't know if you guys already tried the green tea, pero kasi nasanay na kasi nga ako na uminom ng green tea. Okay, so at sa gabi naman ito I will give you another tips. Okay, sa gabi, pagka medyo matutulog na kayo, at di ba, there are times na hindi tayo masyadong makatulog, hindi natin alam, balisa tayo. Try to drink chamomile tea. Chamomile tea relaxes your body. So, pagka chamomile tea, makakatulog po kayo, aantukin kayo. So, try that one. So, that's one tip coming from me. Chamomile tea, try nyo yan. Sa gabi, pag gusto po niyong ma-relax, makatulog. Kasi ganyan po, minsan ang ginagawa po namin. Pagka yung medyo gusto mo nang matulog pero hindi ka pa makatulog, no? That's why I have chamomile tea at home. I always have a stock of chamomile tea. Okay, so itong items, itong package na to, there's about 3 items po dito. And all of this is for my sister. Pero ipapakita ko na rin sa inyo, kaya nga katulad na sabi ko sa inyo, I already shop for my sister. Sabi ko sa kanya, don't bring too much clothes. Just bring one small luggage. Kasi I'm pretty sure na pagbalik mo sa Pilipinas, 2 luggages na ang dala mo. Kasi nga po, pinag-shopping ko na po siya. Okay, so let's start with one item here. So this is for her. Ayan, sa kanya po yan. Nakita naman ninyo, no? Well, malusog po yung sister ko kasi ano po yan, mahilig siya kumain at saka she's a baker. She's a baker and she's also a teacher at TESDA at ano pa pong tawag doon? There's another, meron pa po siyang ano doon eh, yung well, meron po siyang aside from nagtuturo po siyang mag-bake, teacher siya sa TESDA. Nagbibigay pa po siya ng mga, if a student, you know, pag yung mga mag-e-exam, kung talagang, kailangan kung talagang papasa sila, parang examiner siya dun eh. Parang ganun eh. Yun. Anyway, ito ang gusto ko ipakita rin sa inyo. So, this is a dress. It's cute. Ang ganda po niya. And I'm sure magugustuhan po ito ng ate ko. So, this is a dress. At maganda po ang kanyang print. It's a round neck. Round neck at medyo parang merong sheared ang kanyang sleeve. Okay, so it's nice, it's cute. I like the print and I like the color. At so ito pa po yung isa. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, 3 items dito sa package na to. So, here's another one. And this is, of course, from my sister. Okay. So, ang ganda po nito. This is a printed round neck. Oh, no. This is the puff sleeve. Ruffled. No, this is a puff sleeve blouse. Okay, there's just so many items that I wrote there. Okay, so this is also a blouse. Ang ganda po ng kanyang print. Ayan, oh. Ayan. So, it's a pop sleeve blouse. I'm sure kasya to sa kanya. Kasi it's a big size. So, so that's for that package. At, buksan natin tong isa na to. Tignan natin kung ano to. Of course, another Shein. Okay pa ba kayo dyan? Gusto niyo po ba ng intermission number? Baka kailangan niyo po pumunta ng banyo. Okay, so medyo nagtagal po ako, no? At least ngayon hindi boring, 'di ba? Hindi yung hindi kayo nabitin sa aking unboxing na to. At least medyo marami yung items. Kaya nga ginawa ko, pinagsama-sama ko talagang lahat. At hinintay ko. And one of the reason nga kasi, katulad na sinabi ko sa inyo a while ago, we were just so busy. So, I don't have the time to do my unboxing. So, ngayon, medyo okay naman ngayong araw na to. So, I don't know about tomorrow, kung gano'n na naman kami ka-busy. But anyway, buksan ko na nga itong isa na to. Okay, so in this package, there's about, excuse me, Okay, so I thought it's a Shein kasi because of the packaging. It's it's Amazon. Excuse me. It's Amazon. Medyo pumuputok-putok pa yan. Grabe. Medyo sumasapit pa. Oh my goodness. Because I talk too much. Sometimes when you talk too much, do you also experience that? When you talk too much, para bang merong sumasabit dito. My goodness. Okay, so this is Amazon. I thought it's a Shein package. It's Amazon kasi halos katulad din kasi ng Shein eh. So this is Amazon. At ito ay para sa aking ate. So this is for the Disneyland trip. Tingnan naman ninyo kung gaano ka-cute naman yan. Oh, hindi ba? This is for our Disneyland trip. Okay, so she will wear this one. So I don't know if she will wear the leggings, but it's up to her. All right, so next one. This one is for Dada. This is what Dada will going to wear for our Disneyland trip. Okay. Tingnan naman ninyo. So this is for Dada. Ayan po. Oh. Diba ang cute? Okay, so, naku, ang dami ko talagang binuksan ngayon, ano? Sigurado ako na hindi naman kayo nabitin ngayon sa mga binuksan kong items at meron pang isa, ha? Medyo bulky ito. So, pero, kailangan ko ulit uminom kasi baka mamaya may sasabit na naman dyan. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I've been doing it like, what, more than half hour. So I hope you're still there. Sana po ay tapusin niyo itong video na to. At ang gaganda po ng items talaga. At yun nga, katulad nga na sinabi ko talagang pagka-busy talaga, hindi ko na to talaga magawa. At yun nga, at least ngayon, I have the time. But I don't know about tomorrow if we're going to be very busy tomorrow. Pero, bago na naman ako magdaldal, uminom po muna tayo ng green tea. Okay, so, this is the last box from Shein. This is the last package from Shein, but it's kind of bulky. May pagka-bulky siya, ha? Okay, so tingnan natin. Ako, ang dami kong liligpitin. Sana nandito yung assistant ko para tulungan ako. Okay. Sana nandito yung secretary ko para tulungan ako. Alright, so let's open the next one. May pagka-bulky to. So, did you guys keep track of how many items are already opened? Nabilang po ba ninyo kung ilang items na yung nabuksan ko? Sige nga. Alright, so, I don't know how many items here. 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, and 6. Kaya naman pala eh. No wonder it's really bulky. Talaga naman. 6 items sa package na yon. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the first one. Tignan ninyo to. This is also for my ate. I bought this for her. So this is the black flat mule. No, this is the black flat mule shoes or sandals. This is okay. I hope it fits her. Ayan po, oh. It's a mule. So maganda siya, magaang. It's very light. Parang ang sarap niyang isuot kasi malambot po siya. At sana kasya to sa kanya. Kasi sa palagay ko mukhang maliit. But, well, hopefully this will fit her. Okay, so that's one in this package. Another one, I bought my ate a boots. This is the black pointed toe, chunky heels boots. So this is for my ate. Ayan. Ayan po. Ang ganda niya. So, kasya to sigurado sa kanya. Well, actually, before I bought all these items, I asked for her sizes, kung anong size niya sa blouse, kung anong size niya sa shoes, kung anong size niya sa sandals. Kasi minsan hindi ba yung mga open, katulad yung mga mules na ganyan, minsan iba ang ating size comparing sa mga clothes na katulad ng mga boots or sa mga shoes. Nagkakaiba kasi open siya. Okay, so, another one. Of course, this is for my ate. I bought her a sando. Here. Ayan, ang dami po nito. Ang dami, okay. So, this is only 3 pieces, but it looks, I thought it's a lot. So, this is just 3 pieces. So, it's a, this is just the spaghetti strap na camisole. So, it's a camisole. Yan. Okay. And, of course, another one for my ate. I told you guys I already did the shopping for her. Aside from mag-shopping kami dito, iba pa yung binili ko talaga sa Shein. Okay, so this is also for my ate. This is a round neck pop sleeve na top. So this is for her. Ang ganda ng kanyang materials. Ang ganda ng kanyang print. Ayan. Okay. So, one more. Okay, so this one. Okay, so this is for her also. This is a leggings. So this is a 2 pieces leggings. Kasi it's a plus size. So it's 2 pieces leggings. Ayan. And it's black. Kasi kaya maganda yung black, kahit anong top mo, kahit anong blouse mo, babagay. Kasi ang black is a color that you can actually use for all colors. And, kaya katulad na sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, this is the last but not the least. Sabi ko sa inyo, hindi ba, I'm thinking about wearing a leggings, you know, sa trip namin sa Disneyland. To wear a leggings or a skirt. A skirt, and then I might be wearing, if I will wear the skirt, I will wear the turtleneck. Kasi ang pabagay kasi dito, turtleneck na long sleeve na black. Because this is the, what do you call this print? Polka dots, red and black na skirt. Ayan. Sa trip namin sa Disneyland. At alam nyo ba ang kagandahan dito sa skirt na to? Kasama na yung short. Look. Ayan yung short sa loob, oh. Ito yung short sa loob. Ayan yung skirt. Ayan na, yung skirt. And then there's a short inside na naka-attach yung short niya. Kaya ang ganda, hindi ba? Okay, so I hope you guys keep track of all the items that I just opened. At sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo sa unboxing na to. Mukhang napakatagal. I think it's about, what, 45 minutes unboxing. Eh, ang dami po kasi it's about 21 items. If I'm not mistaken, 21 items. Because I already wrote down all the items that I will be showing you guys today. So that's about 21 items. Grabe, no? Ang dami. So, Maraming salamat. Ano pa bang sasabihin ko? Di syempre, maraming salamat sa inyo, no? Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Sa inyong walang sawang panonood sa aking unboxing na to. Sana po ay hindi kayo nagutom sa panonood sa aking unboxing. Sana po, instead nag-enjoy kayo at natawa kayo. Kasi minsan medyo may pagka-funny ako diba? Minsan nagjo-joke talaga ako Well, I don't want you to get bored. That's why. So, maraming salamat sa panonood. Don't forget to click like, comment, and share this video. At hanggang sa muli. See you guys later. Bye!